The important thing is to make sure that the steering wheel captures the essence of Jaguar design. And in that sense, it's about making sure that it's functional, easy to use, but also looks elegant, sporty, lightweight, and is ultimately a really inviting piece of design that you want to enjoy using. Jaguar prides itself on material authenticity. The spoke looks like a beautiful chiseled piece of metal, and it's a lovely piece of continuous fluid surfacing. We have this clean, capacitive, secret tool lit surface surrounding this dual light switch. Having that physical interaction is very, very important to establish a connection between the car and the driver. Creating this beautiful balance between the physical and the digital. Everything sits together in harmony.
Beautiful details are an important element of the Jaguar customer experience. My team and I take personal pride in getting these into production. And that includes our new embossed leaper detail, which features on our headrests. It's a dramatic, luxurious detail which makes a statement. It has to look special, remain comfortable in use, and last the test of time. We've used innovative manufacturing techniques alongside our leather crafting experience to produce a beautiful, crisp graphic every time. Through advances in technology, we've been able to recreate intricate muscular definition to a very high standard. This is a contemporary expression of the iconic Jaguar Leaper that I hope will bring a smile to your face whenever you see it in one of our cars.
The initial brief was to try and capture the kind of quad lamp feel. Our heritage is very important to us. We want to try and recapture some of that spirit in our products going forward. With the new technology as the enabler, we were able to do that. The lamps are slimmer, more elegant, more modern. The individual pixel units light up, and then the two daytime running lights come on. We've used the upper surface as an element of decoration. Then we laser etch the metallized finish. These precious details are not only beautiful to look at, but are also technically very advanced.
Our sole aim was to create a truly luxurious, modern, contemporary interior for our customers. Jaguars have always been drivers' cars, and a significant detail is the new drive selector, which epitomizes Jaguar's approach to contemporary controls. We've moved on from the rising rotary shifter and developed this all-new tactile drive selector with a soft upper trim proudly featuring what we refer to as the cricket ball stitch. All this is encapsulated within a lovely crafted metal cradle. The new drive selector is a vital touchpoint in the cabin that communicates performance, luxury, a crafted tactility, and a heightened sense of quality.
The monogram pattern came from our heritage lozenge that was used in the 1950s. It's an iconic logo. It can be as obvious as a perforation on a seat or as hidden as a detail on the rotaries. The tactility of the rotary may at first feel like a nice knurled pattern, but once inspected closer, it shows the signature monogram, creating lasting romance with the vehicle. We have a lot of British quirkiness, but we want it to come across in a more refined and luxurious way. So hiding these details throughout the vehicle create playful Easter eggs for the user to continually discover. It's our job to look at the areas that we can celebrate our beautiful materials and really show the customer the best of contemporary British design for Jaguar.
The overall vision with the design of Pivi was to create something that looks beautiful and is easy to use. 90% of all features, the things that you do every day, are available from that top level. Our Pivi system opens with an origami kind of animation. We use a very dark blue as our key colour, and then the sidebars and the key elements are picked out with gold accents so that the customer knows where they are in the system. We've also included micro animations that add a level of life and interactivity. We've designed the system to be flexible and have longevity so that over the air, the customer will experience updates that improves and adds features to the whole experience.
The brief for the curved touchscreen was to generate a touch interface that gave an improved sense of tactility. That subtlety, the integration and the harmony with our interior is very important. It needed to have that feeling that it's been integrated as part of the design process. As you open the door and you see the screen with the graphics lit up, it gives a feeling that the interior is alive. The curved nature of the screen allows the interaction to be slightly softer than a flat plane. It was important for us to choose glass because of the clarity of the screen. In terms of distortion and light and reflections, the optical properties of glass are very good. When you touch the screen, you should feel the quality.
Broader design look for Jaguar is to have standout, beautiful, luxurious details that have a lot of storytelling and romanticism about them. The inspiration for the front grille comes from the Jaguar Heritage Racing logo, which we call the lozenge. Maybe you don't notice it at first, but upon closer inspection or cleaning the car, you can learn about all the detail that we've put into this vehicle. The front grille is a very functional piece, and we wanted to really elevate it with further detailed design, with multi-layered detail elements. And then the foil tip on the front really gives that luxury element. This new grille is instantly recognisable as the brand new Jaguar grille.
What I'm the most proud of is the way we managed to translate a simple object, which is the Japanese knife, into really beautiful side vents. It's made up of 3 pieces because we wanted to have more definition to what we're doing. We decided to use black for the monogram pattern with a 45-degree angle to create more light and shadow to improve the visual aspect of this detail. But then your eye is gonna go into the leaper, which is in chrome, so it's gonna really pop up. It's such a small detail on the car, but it's as well important because people can see that someone in the design studio has been thinking about them. I think that's what's important for the customer.